Respect. Without a doubt, it's one of the best things you can have in life. Don't you agree? But respect is hard to get. And it's easy to lose. So here's the big question we have for you. Do you really want to make people respect you? Then keep watching, because we're about to give you several solid tricks to make people respect you instantly. Truth on Command presents 4 psychological tricks to make people respect you instantly. Number 1. Hold eye contact during conflict. It's important to maintain eye contact when you're talking and when you're listening to someone during a conflict. This establishes your dominance in the situation and demands you be given respect. One caveat though, if the situation is becoming too tense and escalating to a point you don't desire, break eye contact to signal you wish to compromise. Number 2. Don't let other people dictate where your attention goes. Think of someone who gives their undivided attention to whoever they're speaking to. If you try to interrupt, they won't even turn to you until the person they're talking to has finished speaking. It might feel a bit annoying in the moment when you're being ignored, but it feels great for the person that they're speaking with. If you're aware of where your attention is going and purposely select who you're engaged with, your attention itself becomes an object of desire, which makes you the one everyone else wants to talk to, and thereby respected. Number 3. Be honest, even when it goes against your best interests. Don't apologize for the sake of avoiding conflict. Not to say you should never apologize at all, because acknowledging when you've made a mistake and expressing when you're genuinely sorry is an important part of being a respectable human being. But on the flip side, if you're not sorry, don't say you are. Apologizing for the sake of apologizing may help you avoid a conflict in the short run, but it sets you up to get walked on later. So whether it goes against your best interests or not, always speak your mind. People will respect you for that. Number 4. Be calm in situations where most people would show fear. In high-pressure situations, would you rather be the one that others rally around, or the guy panicking in the back? People get behind the person who is calm and collected because they're perceived as being more confident in their abilities. In your life, staying calm when things get heated makes you look like the confident one and instantly nets you the respect of others. Getting respect is hard-earned, but we believe we can all agree it's well worth it. And by using these 4 psychological tricks, you'll have a leg up on getting people to respect you immediately. Let us know what you think. Which of these 4 tricks did you find useful in getting people to respect you? Please let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends so we can keep making them. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and remember to click on the notification bell. And when you hit the subscribe button, let us know in the comments below so we can give you an appreciative shout out. Thank you for watching, and check out our other videos as well.